Question number 11. I'm adding this video because earlier further the question is not clear. That's why a factory department has 180 workers who are paid an average of 17.5 per week, which consisting 48 hours. Dearness allowance per month 208 hours of rupees 130. Provident fund deduction is 8% on gross, of which 1.1 by 6 means 0.66% is for family pension fund. Of half of the number of workers and employees. Family pension for half of the number of workers and employees. State insurance is 1.25 for each. The company gives only a minimum bonus of 8.1 by 3 means 0.3% and allows statutory leave of 2 weeks per year, with pay. Shows the weekly wage summary. Hints also given. Family pension is only for half of the employees, therefore only 6.83% is deductible towards PF for all employees. 1.1 by 6 of rupees 8,550 is deductible towards family pension fund for half of the employees. See the question number 11. A factory department has 180 workers who are paid an average of 17 rupees 50 paisa per week, 48 hours. Okay, so 180 workers are working who are paid an average of 17.5 per week. Per week they are getting 17.5 rupees. Dearness allowance per month 208 hours of how much? 130 rupees their dearness allowance for overall month. This per week we have to calculate 4 times this one. Provident fund deduction is 8% on gross PF deduction, of which 1.16% is for family pension fund of half the number of workers, for half workers only, and employees, for employees and for workers. State insurance is at 1.25 for each state insurance. For total how much? 180 workers. The company gives only a minimum bonus of 8 into 1 divided by 3 means 3.3333. Okay, and 1.6 means 1 divided by 6 means 0.6666. Allow statutory leave of 2 weeks per year. They are allowing statutory leave is 2 weeks per year with pay. Show the weekly wage summary. Weekly wage summary. Only weekly wage summary we have to calculate. Hints also given. Family pension fund is only for half of the employee, therefore only 6.83%. Means 1.8 should not be take. Which one? This one. 6.83% is deductible toward PF for all employees, and 1.66% of rupees 8,550 is deductible towards family pension fund for half of the employee. What we have to do? First we have to calculate according to the formula, according to statement. This is a wages summary statement. Okay, particular amount wages, how much we are giving? Total 180 workers into 17.5 3150. Dearness allowance 130 for 208 hours into, we want only 48 hours for how much employees? 180 employees, 5,400. Okay, actually 130 is dayness allowance for 1 month. 1 month hours, how much? 208 hours. So if you divide, you will get 1 hour calculation. Then multiply with 48 hours. You will get the answer. Then that is for one employee. If we want 180 employees, so calculate with 180 employees. We are getting 5,400. Now bonus. Okay. Bonus how much? 3150 plus how to calculate bonus? Wages dayness. 3150 5,400 is equal to how much we are getting? 8,550. It's given in hands. Is deductible towards family pension into how much is it can be possible. What he said, 8.1 divided by 3. 1 divided by 3 percentage means 0.333. So how much we are getting? 712.5. So the overall 9,262.50. What we have to do? We have to deduct some points like PF contribution. PF is how much is given? 8,550 in hints into how much he say? 8.333 percentage he said. Okay, 8 divided by 1 point. Okay, 8.1 divided by 3 means 0.33. So it will be 584.25. we can write it is bracket because we have to deduct this one. Second, what we have to do? Family. Okay, family welfare. How much? 8,550 into how much he said? 1.167. Okay, if you deduct 1.8 minus 1.16, this much we are getting. Okay, 1.1 by 6 means you will get 1.167. So into how much? 50%, because 50% employee only, half of the employee means 50%. So we are getting 49.88. take it as in bracket. Now another one, ESI, employee state investment contribution. How much he said? 1.25 for each employee state insurance. 180 employees and 1.25 rupees each employee. Overall 225 employees. 225 rupees. Deduct all this one, we are getting 8,403.37 is a net wages payable. This is the wages summary. Net wages payable is this one, is the net wages payable. This is our question number 11.